Assalamu alaikum students and welcome back. Today I am going to deliver the third day's lecture of assignment number 2. In the previous lecture we have done a creative writing and today we are also going to do again a creative writing. The previous one was a short paragraph of about 30 to 40 words. It was a limited paragraph, but today we are going to write a kind of an essay of almost 100 words, right? So the topic is my older brother or sister. You have to write on either your brother or either on your sister. For writing this essay, you may refer to your page number 19 of your textbook. On the page number 19, a short paragraph is given about your sibling. Sibling means sister or brother, right? So you may take some help from there also. Okay, students, before writing an essay or before writing a creative writing, you have to make an outline. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about mind maps. What are mind maps? Mind maps were the graphical representation of your thoughts, whereas outline is a kind of you jot down the points, not in the graphical form, just in the sentence form, in the short sentence form. These are the key words, right? For example, if you are going to write an essay on my older brother and sister, in just one or two words you are going to describe what you are going to discuss in your first paragraph of your essay, right? In the first, as the introductory paragraph, right? For example, if you are going to write introductory paragraph, you will give you make outline in the bullet form, in the points form. So you will write the first point, that why siblings are important, right? So when the teacher will check, she'll come to know that what you are going to discuss in your first paragraph. In the first paragraph you are going to write about the importance of brother and sister. Similarly, in the what you are going to write in the second paragraph, just write in the bullet form what you are going to write in the third paragraph. This is the, you make points, you make different points for the arrangement of your idea. So while writing the paragraph, you may refer back to those points. You take the idea from there and then you write your essay, right? For your convenience, I have written some points for you. You may write these points in the form of paragraph, right? First one is importance of sibling. First of all, you will tell that why it is important or how the siblings are blessing for you. Why having a brother or sister is important. Then after this you will tell that how many siblings you have, right? These both points will come under the introduction, right? Then you will tell that your favorite brother and sister, which of your sibling is your favorite, why you like him or her, what is the reason for liking him, what are his or her habits, right? Why do you like your specific brother or sister, what makes him different from your other brother and sister, what are his special qualities, you have to discuss his qualities, what makes him or her upset, what are the things which make your brother or sister sad, what are the things which make your brother and sister happy, what does he or she do in their free time, what are his or her activities. Either he or she likes to read the book, they like to watch the TV, they like to play outside, whatsoever. So you have to write all these points. You have to give the details of all these points, right? Then after gathering all the points, all the ideas in your mind, start writing the paragraph, and your paragraph should not exceed from more than 100 words, right? I have given you the key points. Just organize these points, give the information, and then start writing. Here I have again used the previous slides, a kind of a mind map in which you can also discuss for the importance of brother and sisters. While writing the introductory paragraph, you may take some words from here, that they are caring, your brother and sisters are caring, they sacrifice for you, you may enjoy your time with them, your siblings are your first friends, right? So you may also take some words from here to do the introductory paragraph, and the rest of the points is so easy, they are from your daily life that you have to tell about your brother and sister. So do it on your loose sheet. Your word limit should not exceed for more than 100 words, right? And please focus on your grammar and your spellings. Your sentence structure should be accurate. Be careful about the usage of tenses. Thank you.